sorry. Excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, God. Can you pass me the tissues? Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's setting me off. Oh, God. I don't know why this is happening. Just ignore me. I'm so sorry. Oh, these are not letting up. I'm so sorry. Oh, please continue. Don't mind me. Ugh. Oh, God, not again. I'm sorry, I don't mean to derail the meeting. Please keep going. No, I'm fine. I'm fine, really. It's just, it's horrible timing. I'm trying to keep them quiet. This is so embarrassing. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I swear I'm listening. Nope. I'm gonna get these under control. I swear. I think I just have one more and I'll be good. Huh? Oh, God. Ugh. I think I'm allergic to something in here. Ugh. I know this is getting distracting. I'm trying to stop. Ugh. I think I'm gonna step outside.